This ERA Parrish Realty Legacy Group property video is presented by Ginger Dutmers. What a find! This well-kept 3-bedroom ranch has unfinished upstairs that you could get a lot more square feet. Upstairs would not take much to finish. This lovely home has a great bay window in the dining area, laundry room at the side entrance, nice-sized bedrooms, large walk-in closet, tub and separate shower. Enjoy sitting on your covered porch or on your deck in your fenced-in yard. Lots of privacy. For more information, review the details below or contact Ginger Dutmers at 919-604-1551.